Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, two of you girls requested this. Shout out to you girls. Shout out to you two girls for making me do a count tutorial. I read all your comments, great, and yeah, so let's just get started. So, I got my little eye pencil. Here's my bronzer. Just in case. Oh wait, I think I'm forgetting something. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. So where is it? Where is that eye pencil? Oh, so this. We're gonna be using this too. And we're gonna need, that's calculus. And we're also gonna do this. And if you guys can see, I got some purple streaks in my hair. So, and we're also going to be using this one. Oh, and before we start this video, turn notifications. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give us a heated thumbs up in 7 seconds. Ready? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you guys did that, comment down below. Keeper squad right now. I'm just doing what Colin's key says. I always watch Colin's key videos, and I just always do what he says, literally. I'm literally crying right now. Okay. Back to the video. So, first, we're going to start with them whiskers. I feel like I'm going to, do so good, even though I did not try this yet, but good thing I'm wearing these little ones. I'm just going to put it to the side and save it for last. Oh, get over there. Okay, there's the whiskers. I feel like I'm doing so good right now. Okay, my whiskers are done, so now I'm going to do the nose. I watched a tutorial. I watched a tutorial about this. I watched all of it, but I think I'm doing so bad right now. Comment down below if you guys think I'm doing great. We got inside the caterpillars. Wait, what was the next step? Wait, what was the next step again? Oh, right. If you guys go to Isabel Elementary, you guys can go. If you guys are in grade 1, 2, 3, or 4, and you come back from the cafeteria, go in the grade 2 hallway. Go find Miss Fiefield's class, because that's my class. And then you guys could see me. Tell me all your stuff that you want me to do next time. So, what's next? Wait, is that good, guys? Do you think that's good? Okay. Shout out to you two girls for making me do this. Now carefully, with my bronzer, I'm going to go all around the forehead and gently smoothen it around my cat eye, whiskers, and nose. You guys can tell me if I mess up. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this black. I used it for my watermelon tutorial. That is, if you guys can go check out yesterday, you guys search up watermelon tutorials by Kyla's Crafty Kitchen. Then you will find that video. So yeah. So Don't that. Oh wait, I still need this. So then you just swipe it around on your brush and carefully apply it to your eyes, making it not smudge into your cat eyeliner. Cat eye. I'm trying to like make a little eye, like cat eye. Like I'm trying to make like a little cat. Ta-da! I made a cat. For the other one, I'm not doing it. I feel like I got a brown eye right now. I do horrible with eyes. It's missing something. Oh wait, we're missing the lips. Right, guys? I think you commented this down like, Kyla, you're missing lips. Kyla, you're missing the lips. Kyla, you are missing the lips. Okay. I do not know how to do this, so I'm in big trouble. I think I know how to do it though. I hope you guys don't mind this, but I can't do it. Okay, guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. My mom's going to host this one on Instagram. No, wait, actually Facebook. Sorry, Facebook. So I hope you like this video, guys. Comment down below. And tell me what other crazy makeup things I should do. So comment down below and see which one I should do next. Wait until tomorrow, guys. Bye. Bye.